guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Guys, struggle is real today. I don't even have an impact. I'm gonna be changing all the rotors and pads. So we gotta take the tires off with just a 1/2 inch ratchet. That one was loose. Once you have the tire off, there's two 12mm bolts to get the caliper off, and then you need a 16mm wrench to hold this nut right here, and then you just gotta loosen these up. Then they come hand tight. Take each of these bolts out. There's one. And then as you can see, they had a little Loctite on there, so whenever you go back, make sure you go back with some Loctite so those don't come loose. Now your caliper is free. So set that kind of out the way. Try to set it on something where it doesn't have a ton of tension on that brake line. And the pads will come free. Pads will come free. These pads aren't in the worst of shape, but it's just so old and rusty. You just want to get new ones before you're going to do the rotors anyways. And then make sure you keep this hardware, because you're going to need to go back with it. At least that rotor is loose, so it won't be too bad.
Yeah, Brandon, I think this one's going to be hard to clickbait.
I don't know, I might title it "Guy Shatters Hand into Pieces Trying to Get Bolt on Brake Boots." I think that'll get some views. I should have just hit my hand, go for the views. Do it for the vibe. I ain't gonna do it. You remember that?
Yeah.
Ta-da. Alright guys, and the surprise I was talking about in the last video is I'm going to be painting these calipers red. Yeah, super exciting surprise. I know y'all are all hyped about that, but yeah, I think that will clean this up a lot. I'm going to get a towel, clean this off with some brake cleaner, get it prepped for paint, and then I'll show you guys that. Guys, I don't think I've ever really used spray paint before, so this is dupli color caliper paint. So it's made for this shit, but I don't know, we'll see. I'm no artist. As y'all will soon find out.
Oh, shit.
Fuck you. You fucking bitch. Fuck around like that with a snake back here. Alright guys, I know I didn't do a good job on the fronts of updating y'all the whole way, but this is how it came out. Puh, English. Looks way cleaner that way. This is what it used to look like. But yeah, it looks way cleaner that way. One of the bolts that holds the caliper bracket on there was rounded, so we had to get that off by any means necessary, and then we went to the hardware store, got new bolts for it, so we don't have those rounded in the future when we go to do this again. But yeah, you know, when something's a pain in the butt, it's hard to update you the whole way. You just want to get the shit done. But well, I'll try to update you more and go through the process on the rears this time. The rear rotor, I'm about to teach Kane how to put a rotor and brake pads on.
Please show me. You know the spot so you can show me properly?
Yeah, I already did the fronts all by myself.
Oh my.
The only thing he contributed was rounding off the bolt. But yeah, the battery on the GoPro is about to die, so if it dies, I'll just put some pictures up and show y'all. Right, so we're tightening up the caliper bracket. It's a 15mm bolt. Get that pretty tight, as you can see Kane doing there. So Kane, what'd you learn today? You
Don't let Brandon do anything, he's gonna fuck it up.
Good. You learned your lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Tomorrow we'll work on ABC.
Alright, Kane is tightening that up. There, caliper on there. We're gonna do a little touch-up paint, make it look a lot better. Thank you guys. I can't tell you enough how much I appreciate you guys tuning in. You keep liking the videos, commenting, subscribing, sharing the videos. Please keep that up. You know, if you're viewing the video and you haven't clicked that subscribe button, please just click the subscribe button so we get those subscribers up. I appreciate you guys. Take it easy.